Veterans doing amazing things in our community. These are their stories. See how they're working wonders. Sponsored by the #1 luxury brand in Las Vegas and Henderson, Lexus of Las Vegas, Lexus of Henderson, serving our community. 13 Action News. Good morning, Las Vegas.
Getting back to business, Nevada's phase 2 of reopening is happening today. We'll break down all the businesses that are allowed to reopen next.
So the sun's about to rise. We have plenty of sunshine and another hot Friday forecast. The excessive heat warning continues today, and we're adding some wind into the equation. But a little bit of good news on this final weekend of May.
That looks beautiful out there. Well, hey, we're introducing the Henderson Silver Knights, the latest on Nevada's brand new AHL team. And getting tested for COVID-19 is easier than ever. The 3 new testing sites opening up this morning. Good morning, Las Vegas. Thank you so much for joining us on this Friday morning. We finally made it, and the weekend is upon us. A lot happening today, just in phase 2, so a lot of places are reopening, but we are headed for more heat. How hot is it going to be?
Yeah, we're up to 106 this afternoon, Kalina. Yesterday we were 108, so this is going to be our 3rd day in a row where we are above that 105 threshold, and that's kind of the line between hot and kind of dangerously hot, at least this time of the spring in Las Vegas. Look at the numbers outside right now. We're pretty mild. It's going to start off in the low 80s this morning. We are in the upper 70s up over on the west and the north side of town, also in the upper 70s in Boulder City, but officially 82 at McCarran. Now by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock this afternoon, we'll register those highs above 105. We'll aim for 107 in North Las Vegas, 105 in Anthem, 106 in Sunrise Manor, and 105 in the Southern Highlands. 13-hour forecast, a lot of sun, temperatures well into the mid-90s by 10 in the morning. Kalina, plenty of wind, too. We'll talk about that wind because it is with us through the weekend.
All right, Justin, thank you. And I have better news for you than the weather looks like right now. Nothing crazy out there. We got lots of green, no crashes to report, some construction spots, but that's not really causing any type of delay. So if you're traveling in Summerlin, Centennial Hills, Henderson, you are all nice and clear. Time now, 5:01 this morning. We have officially entered phase 2. Businesses and many other facilities are getting ready to open their doors. And 13 Action News anchor Nina Porshukala is joining us live right now with more details on this major milestone. Nina?
It's a big day for business owners who have been waiting for over 2 months for this very day, the beginning of phase 2, which includes the reopening of businesses like an aesthetic service salons like this one, the Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, opening today. Now also allowed to reopen starting today, pools, water parks, bars, massage parlors, gyms, movie theaters, bowling alleys, and indoor malls. But the governor says strict social distancing is required, a minimum of 6 feet. The governor also says Nevada will welcome back visitors as part of phase 2 starting June 4th. That's the same day gaming establishments will begin a phased reopening. Now, Jacqueline Bew, the practice manager at Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center, says they've been getting a lot of calls from old and new customers.
So we are open to coming in a little bit earlier, staying a little bit later. Some of the providers are even going to work on Saturdays so that we can accommodate all of our clients. So what we're doing is we're staggering appointments so that we don't have more than one client waiting in the waiting room. We're also suggesting and recommending to clients if they'd like to wait in their car and then call us, and when we're ready to take them into their treatment room, then we will call them in to come into their treatment room.
But not all businesses included in phase 2 are ready and able to reopen. Just in this morning, a spokesperson for Eclipse Theaters sent me a statement saying it has not made a decision when to reopen, adding in certain factors may make it difficult for some theaters to open up, and even if some are allowed to do so. But they are working on adding a streaming service so that guests can experience that luxury service they have come to expect coming from Eclipse Theaters in downtown. Reporting live, Nina Porshukala, 13 Action News.
All right, Nina, thank you so much. And for a full list of all the places reopening starting today, you can head over to our website. It's ktmv.com/reopening phase 2.